Hi guys! So it's again the best time of the year, basically the best month of the year because मेरा birthday है. पता नहीं तुम लोग को पता है कि नहीं, but it's May and the weather is beautiful. So I'm basically making this video because I have decided मैं ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं खरीदती, देखो मतलब खरीद लेती हूँ कभी कभी, but what I have decided for my birthday this year, again I'm alone and that is why I feel that I should buy myself small treats across the entire month to give myself some self-satisfaction. And while I do that, I'm going to share everything with you. So without wasting any more time on my intro, let's begin. So, I don't share a lot of stuff with a lot of people, but if you know me for about 2-3 years now, I probably have already told you that I have this fascination for the Nike Air Jordan shoes. Like my dream is till I become 30, I want to own very specific brands of shoes so that I can say that I have everything that I want, if that makes sense. So I've told this again and again to people in the hope of they would gift me an Air Jordan because they are like my dream shoes currently. But from now on, I promise you that I will only buy one shoe of each brand. Anywho, though I already have Nike Dunks, I decided that probably this is the time that I should go for my Air Jordan. So originally speaking, my dream shoes are these ones. Air Jordan 4s. Like I researched about Air Jordan for like ages and then I decided that okay, these are my dream shoes. Many of you would already know if you are my friend, and I wanted to get this in this taxi color, but whatever, like personally speaking, all my shoes have whites in them, and that is why I wanted to get something different from what I originally have because I have got a lot of shoes. And also I saw one of my friends wearing those, and that I think triggered me that okay, if they can buy, why can't I? I am competitive like that, but okay. So I browsed and you know how my brain is, I don't know myself that much, but those were my dream shoes for like years and years. And while I was researching, I like browsed and viewed some other Air Jordan models, and then suddenly my heart diverted and I was suddenly like starting to like Air Jordan 5 more. Like I was questioning my entire life that I am not this person, I don't change my choices, what is happening to me? But whatever, मुझे लगा कि मन को नहीं मारना चाहिए, and then suddenly I felt this immense love for Air Jordan 5 and thought that I don't have these kind of shoes, please I want to get these. And then I searched and browsed through all the colors, and these were the two options that really caught my eyes, and I, being the gadhi, I didn't know which one to get, and so I asked literally everyone that I know that which one, and everyone including my mother obviously said the crimson one, the orange one, because that is unusual and that is cool and I can pull that off because I can pull off anything and everything. Just as you know that these are not on stock on the Nike store because the moment that these shoes come in, they get sold out like crazy, and then I had to go to an auction house and then I had to bid for the highest price. Anyway, don't ask me how much I paid because it would look like a show off, which I'm literally doing right now. But yeah, that's it. That's enough. And recently, after bidding and paying for it on eBay, I got the product because it was not available anywhere. I did not go for the crimson one, I went for the bluebird one because last में मुझे लगा कि it's the safe option और मुझे safe खेलना है. But yes, I got it finally. और मुझे ये काफ़ी दिन पहले मिला था, but I was so afraid like opening it because what if it doesn't turn out? What if मेरे साथ कोई fraud हो जाए? What if? See, my gosh, please God, please. These are like my dream. I won't be able to buy it in a long time again because I have money problems, monetary issues, financial trauma. This is the boss, Air Jordan finally. Just as I expected. Oh my God, thank God. Oh my God. Hey, can I kiss my shoe? Of course I can. I love you so much. Hey you guys, so it's the 21st of May. Today is the first time that I'm wearing my shoes. I can't believe it. Like when I was walking, I literally saw a girl looking at my shoes. शायद ये मेरे मन का ही वहम है, but I'm so happy with my वहम्स. Oof, oof, oof! Just look at this beauty. रास्ते में लोग सोच रहे हैं ये पागल लड़की क्या कर रही है, but it's fine. और पता है, I just realized that this part, you know, it glows in the dark. अब देखो ना मैं चल रही हूँ कैसे. The things that I do are not completely safe and ये please parental guidance के साथ ही करना. But yeah, let me know how you like my shoes. And I forgot to mention that today is my mom and dad's anniversary. So yesterday I went out and thought I should buy something for myself and I got this. I won't say that there were a lot of options, but still there were a lot of options, and among those I chose this one. When I looked at it initially, I probably was thinking of something else because it has got a lot of men, cranky men written, which I am not sure I really want to see every day. But then the color got me. And UK scorching heat has arrived, so it's good if I get something that can hydrate me. Because when you have an attractive bottle, you want to sip from it as well. तो कल से मेरा बस यही हो रहा है कि पानी पियो सुसु जाओ, पानी पियो सुसु जाओ. ठीक ऐसे ही जैसे तुम लोग देख रहे हो. And my next treat to myself would be this short trip to Oxford because खुद के लिए कुछ करना बहुत जरूरी है ऐसे. Now my next treat to myself is I got tickets to Bollywood Nights. जाके नाचेंगे. But guys, I have become an old person. It's 9 o'clock at night and I am already so sleepy and tired, and the party will begin at 11 p.m. I don't know how I am going to survive because almost आधा सो ही गई मैं. So it's basically 11:20 p.m. already. हम लोग बात करते करते when the time passed we didn't even realize. But yes, this is how I look. Basically we saw in our tickets that the theme is white. I have left all my white clothes back in India, and that is why I have worn this jacket instead with my skirt and my new shoes, and this is it. I can't be more fancy than this. So let's go. So the venue was this small pub called Daisy's, and अंदर जाके ही मैं तो अलग ऐसे excited हो गई और बहुत enjoy करने लगी. Anyways, next up comes another trip to Portsmouth Harbour. The weather was so amazing and I really, really enjoyed my time there. But by the end, I was too exhausted for my own good. Hi, you guys. So today is the big day, and today I am going to give myself the best treat, I think. And that is a table for one. And although I had no plans, but since I am early for my booking, so here is this very beautiful church. So that is the church, and since I have got 10 minutes, what could be better than just immersing yourself in a little bit peace on your big day? Maybe God wanted this, and that is how it all worked out. Let's go. I have been to this church a lot of times before. I think probably the doors are going to be closed now because usually on Sundays it's open for the entire day, but on weekdays they have their hours, and it's evening time now, so it will be closed, but just seeing from outside is enough, more than enough. So yeah, it is closed, but I'm still very grateful. So I've reached this beautiful village. It's basically called the Mall in Clifton, and somewhere along the lines would be the place where I have booked a table for myself. Okay, I got it. So you can see this tiny little place, right? Milk Bun. That is where I got myself booked for tonight because when I love burgers, okay? Don't judge me, but I don't know. Even after having so many burgers, I still love them. So when I googled about the best burger places in town, it came as number one. I had to get myself into it. It is so much expensive for me. I know that it's a bad financial choice again, but I had to go in here, and I promise for one more month I will not have any burgers. I got a corner seat, and after browsing the menu, I ordered what I had already decided I will order. The burger looked quite small, honestly. But anyway, बहुत ही awkward style में I had it, and I really, really liked the taste. छोटा है तो क्या हुआ भाई, quality was amazing. And you know, I was not expecting this, but once I finished my burger, they got me some ice cream because they knew it was my birthday. And वो देख के I was very touched. and like it went really nice. इतना सब के बाद मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि बर्गर was small but after the ice cream I'm full. Though I love perfumes, okay, and hence the next treat which I got myself is a very nice perfume, and I always buy books with good covers. So while I was in a duty free, I really liked how it looked. So I won't lie, I didn't purchase it this month. It was purchased quite a while back. But since I opened it this month and started using it, so I would still consider it as a birthday treat. Why it caught my eyes is because you would understand once you see it. Dun, da-da. The bottle looks like this with like a snake. It's so cool, right? It's so elegant. Reminds me of all my friends, and that is why I got this. Smell is also nice, though it doesn't last that long, but it's still fine. मैंने बहुत सारा ख़त्म भी कर दिया है already. So it's the final day of my birthday month, and that is why I thought that probably today would be the best day to show you my final gift to myself. Backstory is I had no intention of buying it right now, but when I was scrolling through my shoes, an ad just popped up randomly, and I remembered as a child how much I wanted one of these. I don't know why, there was no specific reason. You would think it's just a basic wallet, but the brand is not basic at all. And अगर खरीद सकते हो तो ये ना खरीदा तो क्या किया ज़िंदगी में. So मैंने ना ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं. At first I wanted to get these, but it brought back several memories from my trip to Georgia, and hence I didn't get it. Instead I got this, and I thought that this color would suit me. And ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं मैंने. It was like a decision of around 5 to 10 minutes, because usually I take like maybe 2-3 years to decide if I want something or not. और हम इंडियंस का दिमाग कैसे चलता है पता है ना, कि सफ़ेद है तो गंदा हो जाएगा. And one more time, to keep it short and simple, let me show you the product that I received. It is this one. So you pull this and see. Apparently इसको ये कपड़े को बोलते हैं डस्ट बैग. हम तो गरीब है, so we didn't know this, but this is how it is. तो सामने ना 3 स्लॉट्स है जो कि प्योर कार्ड्स, और पीछे भी 2 स्लॉट्स है. सो 5 कार्ड्स यू कैन पुट इनसाइड दिस, एंड इट्स नाइस. चलो, मैं अपनी फैमिली की पहली लड़की तो बन गई हूँ जिसके पास लुई विटॉन है. अब तुम पूछोगे कि तुमको कैसे पता. मुझे पता है भाई, क्योंकि खर्चा करने वाले हैं मेरे पापा, उनके पास नहीं है, मम्मी के पास नहीं है, और मेरे कज़न्स जो है दे आर सो कंजूस. वो 500 रुपये के बैग के लिए भी 50 बार बार्गेन करते हैं. तो दैट्स हाउ आई नो. बट बहुत दिल से खुशी मिल रहा है. एंड टू फाइनली एंड दिस, थोड़ा ज्ञान देना तो बनता है. तो प्रेशर में रहो, रिस्क लो, जो मन है करो, जो खरीदना है खरीदो, जैसे रहना है रहो. गलत काम मत करो, किसी का बुरा मत सोचो, मेरा बुरा मत सोचो प्लीज़. मुझे आशीर्वाद करो, बिकॉज कुछ सीखा नहीं सीखा पता नहीं, बट इतना ज़रूर सीखा है कि देयर इज़ समथिंग कॉल्ड गुडविल. एंड जो तुम टाइम काट रहे हो ना अभी, ये कभी वापस नहीं आने वाला. सो इसी नोट पे बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.